Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your work of liking, subscribing and commenting to these videos. Yes, thank you for watching the previous video about Microsoft Excel. So today in Microsoft Excel I want to take you through the common errors which we face while doing our calculations. So let me first open the Microsoft Excel program and I take you through these errors. So as you can see, this is my worksheet and I'm about to do some calculations. So sometimes when you're doing these calculations we come across various errors, and I'm going to show you how these various errors come about. So in this column M, as you can see, I was able to list some common errors. We have div 0, value, name, null, num, ref, hash. So I'm beginning with the simplest, which is hash error. So for the hash error to come about, that indicates that the cell is too narrow. The contents within the cell cannot fit. Let me show you. For example, if I have here, yes, very many numbers and the cell is too narrow, I get the hash error, meaning that you have to widen the cell like that. Yes, so that's the hash error. So to correct it, you just need to widen your column. Or I come and I widen it, so it will disappear. Then next we have hash value. So this happens when you have a wrong type of data is being used. Yes, for example, you are adding a word to a digit. Let me show you. For example, I can have equals to B5 equals to sum, okay, equals to B3 plus A3. You can see you can't add a word with a digit, so it will give me that error. Hash value. Are we together? Yes. So when you come across such error, it means you've added you've added maybe a word with a number. So our next error is name. For name, it happens when Microsoft doesn't recognize the text within the formula. For example, if I want to say equals sum from B4 to C4, B4 to C4, that's the right formula. But if the formula, the word sum included maybe 4 M's, 3 M's, that formula is not recognized by Microsoft Excel. So this is the error. The error is hash name. Then we have hash null. Yes, hash null. So for hash null, this one occurs when you use an incorrect range operator. For example, if I want to add these two columns, column of B and C, if I want to add them up, I have to use two ranges, a range from B2 to B6 and from C2 to C6. If I use the wrong range, this will give me hash null. As you can see here, I have equals sum. I want to add from B2 to B6. Then I'm supposed to put a comma to this formula. Then I say also from C2 to C6. I close my brackets. This will give me the right answer. But if I use a wrong range. For example, instead of putting this comma,